Hi, I'm Tu. I am a massage therapist and a lymphatic drainage therapist. Today, we are going to be working on a swollen ring finger. This is the most complaints I get as a therapist in my practice, especially during the summertime. Lots of people have brushes, yet they don't know how to use it or how to use it properly. So we are going to go through a very quick sequence specifically for your arm and your finger. Try and get some flow and movement into it just so your ring can fit better for the summer. But keep in mind, this is something you should be doing daily, sometimes twice a day if you get a chance. This can be easily done while, honestly, you're watching TV, you're hanging out by the park, you're at the cottage at the lake like I am. So please excuse all the sounds in the background. With a brush, we are going to start, as always, activating the lymphatic nodes in our clavicle. You can use your fingers, but I like to use my brush since I already have it on hand. And you can do little circles, or you can just brush back and forth. I'm gonna do that around 10 times. And it's very lightly. Let me move in for you. You can see some gentle skin movement, and that's all you need. Next up, you want to activate the lymph nodes in your armpit, the axillary nodes. So again, you can use your fingers or you can use your brush. And same thing, you can just do little brush strokes. I sometimes automatically have my arm up like this just to help with, or just to go along with gravity, and we're brushing downwards. And again, I do this roughly 10 times. Then we are going to work along, since our arms are already up, we're gonna do triceps. So it can be long strokes like this, or you can do quick little strokes. I get questions asked if you should do circles. Technically, as a beginner, I don't recommend circles just because it technically isn't a circle, it should be J strokes. I'm not gonna go into it actually, that's quite complicated. But just little strokes in the one direction is fine. Depending on how much surface area you have in your arm, you can even work into your middle arm or your inner biceps here. And then you can slowly move up into the top of your biceps. And you can even move onto the side of your arm here. And at this point, I like to sometimes do a long stroke or even just short strokes around my deltoids. It's very important to prep this area as all of the fluid is going to be moving down from your fingers all the way up towards your arm. Okay, next you want to activate the nodes in your cubital fossa, your cubital nodes. So with the brush, you can go in circles a little bit gently or just little strokes. And then I like to go down towards my forearm flexors. You do nice, slow, long strokes. The brush you have should be a little bit softer. I've seen some coarse brushes out there. Comment below if you know any good soft brushes, because I'll be honest, I'm still hunting for a good one myself. I'm at that point now where I feel like I should design my own because I'm just so freaking picky. And then you can move down into your forearm flexors. Spending some time at the elbow even. Okay, we give that a few more strokes all around. And to make this even more specific, the wrist, okay? The inner wrist. And just kind of go 360 all around the wrist. Your palm doesn't need a brush. There's not much of a lymphatic system there, but on the outside of your hand, there is. So after that, I like to actually move onto my hands. After your 10-ish strokes, I like to go up onto my actual finger. I like to do the whole thing because I'm already here. But if you really want to get precise, you could just do your ring finger. I do recommend you moving removing your ring. I just have it for show just because it's just for a prop for the video. Just so there's a nice little visual. And voila, this is really it. You can sometimes I like to go and reverse it. And let me know after you do the arm and the hands and the fingers with the ring finger, tell me how the other arm feels. Because I'll be honest, I feel like this arm feels much heavy now compared to this arm. All right, thank you. Subscribe, bye-bye.